Amir Khan, one of my favorite humans. I am so happy to have you here tonight.
My favorites too.
Thank you so much. Look, how does it feel to be here tonight, one of the first among anybody to come and witness this spectacular evening?
Well, I'm most excited, since Nita and Mukesh had told us about this very special theatre that they've been making. Since then, I've really been wanting to come and see it, and today's the first day, it's the opening night, and we're also looking forward to the play that they have produced and which Feroz has directed. So it promises to be a real spectacle.
Really does. What would you like to see from a cultural center like this?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity for us to see content or material that is being made which needs a platform like this. Material that's made from all over the world which now can perform over here. So we get to see that. Yeah, that'll be great.
I would love to see you do something on stage too. But thank you so much and have such a wonderful evening.
Thank you.